know who it is. We have touched down. Me and DJ O Worldwide are in Illinois. We're going to be spending 2 days working with JARC, talking about this amazing training center that they're building right here. Going to get a sneak peek at that. We're going to be talking about curriculum, our expansion to Philly and Detroit. But tomorrow night in Elgin, Illinois, we'll be there supporting the manufacturer and student showcase. We've got an early show from 3:30 to 5 o'clock. All the employers, I want y'all to come out. I want y'all to get this sauce. I'm gonna be teaching you how to get the most out of industry and education partnerships so you can really fill that pipeline and develop a good ecosystem. And then after that, from 5:30 to 7, DJ O is gonna be spinning, and we're gonna go live from Elgin Community College's Instagram and social media and show you what the students are building themselves. They're innovating, they're creating, they're taking the skills that they're learning and they're changing the world. We can't wait to show it off. Make sure you're in Elgin tomorrow. Elgin Community College, log on right now. It's free for people to come, but there's limited seating, so make sure you see us. But in the meantime, we're about to get back to JARC, baby. Jane Addams Corporation. Check it out.